Creative, I'm about to go full controversial on you. You're not behind. I know you probably feel like you're behind, feel like you should have started earlier or done something better or practiced in a different way or somehow done something to be further along than you are. But the fact is, you are not behind. The only way for you to be behind is if your life followed the exact same steps and details that somebody else's did, the person you're comparing yourself to. And since it didn't, why on earth would you be in the same place in life? Creative, you are not behind. Now, I don't have a magic button to turn off that feeling. It's a bad one and it trips you up and it makes everything feel awful. But I can tell you this, you can still choose to keep moving forward in spite of it. Feelings are awesome. They can be really good things, but they also lie to you a lot. You are exactly where you need to be on your creative path. What you have experienced, what you have survived, the things that you struggled to understand, the stuff that you had to fight through, you are where you are. And you should be proud of it because you're still here, and that is good. We want you still here. There's no way you can be behind. You've survived it all. You're here. You have your talent. You have your desire. You have the thing you want to make, and you will make it in time. You are not behind. So though I know you can't turn off that behind feeling, you can keep creating in spite of it. And I really look forward to what you're going to make. Join me, creative. Wherever you are on your path, it's the right place for you. She came over to say that this is true. Say hi to your adoring public. You're not behind. You are right on time. So wherever you are in your creative journey, sit down with me now and let's make something new.